In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hover effects for the main menu in Squarespace. By the end, your navigation will feel more interactive and polished, helping visitors understand what's clickable and guiding them smoothly through your site. First, open your site in the Squarespace editor and select the section that contains your main menu. This is typically your header area where the navigation links live. Selecting the correct section ensures the options you're about to adjust will target the actual menu items your visitors see at the top of every page. With the section selected, look for the pencil icon and click it to edit. That opens the editing panel for the area you're working on. You'll see controls that affect layout, styles, and behavior. We're focusing on behavior here, specifically how the menu responds when someone hovers their cursor over it. In the editing panel, find and click the animation option. This is where Squarespace groups visual motion and interaction settings. If you're not seeing it, make sure you're editing the appropriate section or element that holds your navigation links, since animation controls are context sensitive. Inside animation, locate the trigger area and click the plus icon. A trigger tells Squarespace when the effect should run. Adding one here creates the rule that connects a user action, like moving a cursor over a link, to the animation that will play. Set the trigger to on hover. This is crucial. On hover means the effect activates only when someone points at a menu item, rather than when the page loads or scrolls. It keeps the experience clean and responsive, and it avoids distracting motion when people are simply arriving on a page. Now select the animation you want. Choose an effect that complements your design. A gentle fade, a subtle slide, a scale up, or a tidy underline can all work well for navigation. Keep it restrained so the menu feels sharp, not flashy. If options are available, fine-tune the duration, delay, or easing, so the motion feels quick and snappy without being abrupt. Aim for consistency across all menu items so the experience is uniform. That's it. You selected the correct section, opened the editor, navigated to animation, added a trigger, set it to on hover, and chose an animation that suits your brand. Keep effects subtle, maintain strong contrast for readability, and make sure hover changes are also clear for keyboard focus to support accessibility. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded menu.